Next up, cutting it close, Tier 2 Shadow Company. For this, we need to exfil with a hostage at the final exfil. So you'll grab a hostage rescue contract, start it, grab the hostage, and keep them all the way till the final exfil. I don't think we can do a hostage rescue mission and grab the hostage because he'll die in the smoke. But we can try. Because we need to take the final exfil with the hostage. If this man spawns in the smoke, then he's dead. Should have cancelled the mission. Grab. Where's this man? Yes, he's next door. Yay! Let's quickly get him into this truck. Where's the stairs? Huh? Where's this man? There he is. Alright, and then we need to take this man, jump into the truck. Yay. Alright. Into our little truck here. Plop this man in the back here. Now we need to go all the way to the final exfil, which will probably be the airport, maybe? I don't know. Right, so now that you have a hostage, it's a good idea to take them and place them into a vehicle. That way you can travel around the map very easily. All we need to do now is wait for the map to finish so we can see the final exfil location. You'll see the final exfil location as soon as the other locations are swallowed by the expanding smoke. But the thing is that there might be angry players trying to take the final exfil with us. Okay, there we go. Now we have to wait 5 minutes until this final exfil takes off. So you just got to go there and hold it down. You're an airstrike? Okay, there definitely are still players there. But I hope they're busy fighting over like an exfil chopper. Maybe we can drop the hostage in and just protect it, eh? Yeah. Now that the final exfil chopper is here, I'll grab the hostage and we'll put it onto the final exfil chopper. Then we simply need to wait for the map to end in however many minutes and extract with it. Just note, if there are still players in the area, they'll definitely be wanting to take this as it is the only last way out, besides them completing a hostage rescue mission as well. Now we need to hold it down for a solid 4 minutes. I'm going to take cover behind these like things back here. Freestyling is looking for... Is that players? There's no way that's players. There. In a car. I spotted a light moving. That's players. There's a man parachuting down. It's fine. He doesn't know we're here. Okay. We'll leave the AI because they'll shoot at players if they come near. Yeah. This is AI. They're shooting at player. Downed. Dead. Sentry gun. 2 laptops. 8 electrical tape. 2 light bulbs. 10 aspirin. Ogaba. And there we go. Now that the helicopter is taking off, we've completed cutting close. So thank you all for watching. Mine has been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.